Welcome back. Hi everybody. How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing the number 3 upload. I didn't record this one because I didn't like the nails too much, but I'm about to take these off and I'm going to get ready to reapply another set of nails. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. This is the magnetic gel nails I'm going to apply. These are press-ons. They come from Kiss is the company. I got them in a medium size. I'm going to be applying my glue as well. I'm going to take these off with my remover. And this is the glue that I have that I'm going to be applying these with from the TikTok shop. And it is really good. And it stays up past 2 weeks. The guarantee is 2 weeks, but I've worn mine. This is going on like the 3rd week. So I'm about to take these old ones off and put these on. All right. So you're gonna need a file, of course. You're gonna need whatever choice nails that you pick. Cuticle pusher, and I'm trying to find my other cuticle pusher, but I don't see it right now. I think I put it back into my. But I bought this nail kit, so I think I put it back in here. And I love this nail kit, y'all. I really do. I got this off of Tumi, I think, and it's really pretty. It's like a rainbow color effect nail kit. And it has the grippers. It has a small nail clipper, a medium nail clipper, a large nail clipper. It has the tweezers in here, a file. It has all kinds of little gadgets and gadgets in here, but this is what I use. So this is the nail pusher I was telling y'all about. So you're going to need these things if you're going to do your nails. Now, I'm going to take these off really quickly, and I'll be right back, okay, you guys? All right, we're back. All right, so I done took the other nails off. Now we're going to go ahead and apply these nails onto my hand. All right, so this will be all right, so we're going to go ahead and continue on the nails, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and apply our coat, which is going to be here. So we're going to go ahead and do the thumbnail first. We're going to go ahead and apply the gel, and then we're going to apply a lightly covered, a lightly coat onto the nail. Give me 1 minute, you guys. I'm going to, I think I put one of the pinky nails back that I was going to use. And let's see if this one fits. Yep. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do the thumbnail first. We already applied to the thumb, and now we're going to do apply to the nail, okay? So we're going to put that to the side. We're going to push the nails to the side, and we're going to go ahead and apply the thumbnail, okay? Okay, make sure that you're not setting the nails on top of your cuticle. Make sure you're putting it underneath your cuticle. Lord, I can't talk. Now these are magnetic gel nails, the fantasy nails, and they shine, so we're going to give them a shine to the end. But for right now, we're just going to go ahead and apply the nails, okay? The next nail we're going to apply is going to be the pointer finger, or the first finger. We're going to go ahead and apply the nail here, and we're going to put it here and apply it. We're going to apply it to the nail, of course, and we're going to put it there. A nice good coat. And it says to do this so the nails will stay longer, and they do, okay? We're going to go ahead and apply it to this. We're going to press it down. We're going to go ahead and apply this with a light coat, and Let's get rid of the excess glue because I put a little bit too much on this one. Okay, give me 1 minute, you guys. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put on the next finger, which will be the middle finger. And we're going to go ahead and apply that to the middle finger here. And we're going to go ahead and apply this to the middle finger of the gel nail. And we're going to apply this to this. Okay. I'm going to press down, press at the base, press at the sides, and at the top. And we're going to go ahead and wipe our excess glue off. Make sure that you're wiping it. If you're putting too much glue, make sure you are wiping off the excess glue, because you don't want, after it dries, you don't want that white residue around your nails. Okay, so that is that one. We're going to go ahead and apply to our next nail, which is going to be the ring finger. And if you are new here, my nails look like this because I used to wear the ones from the salon. I'm actually letting them grow back out because my nail bed is so terrible, so weak because of all the filing they did. So I'm just letting them breathe right now, and then I'm letting them heal and grow back out a new layer of my nail bed because it is completely terrible. All right, we're going to go ahead and apply the last pinky fingernail, which is this one. And we're going to apply the nail over here to the back of the nail. And we're going to go ahead and put that one on. Now, doing my right hand to my left is easy. My dominant hand, which is my left to my right, oh, I have so much trouble getting it done. All right, so the first one is done. These are really cute. I like this. All right, really, really pretty. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the opposite hand, which is this one. All right, you guys. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the other hand. We're gonna do this backwards, really. We're going to do the pinky finger first and work our way back to the other side. We're going to apply the glue there. Then we're going to get the pinky finger nail, and we're going to apply that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and press that down, press it to the sides, and on the side, we're going to go ahead and get the excess glue off. And then we're going to go ahead and do the next finger, which is going to be our ring finger. All right, a ring finger, which is going to be the next finger. Go ahead and apply a light coat here. Now, this is not a dominant hand. I have a hard time getting this one on here. And we're going to go ahead and apply it to the nail. And we're going to go ahead and put that one on. Okay, and here it is. All right, we're going to push that down a little bit. All right, we got that one on. We're going to wipe off the excess glue. And we're going to go ahead and apply the middle finger next. Here's the middle finger nail. And we'll lay that there for a minute. And then we'll do the middle finger here. And like I said, I always have a hard time with the dominant hand. Because I do everything. Even though I do everything with my right hand. But doing stuff from my left to my right, yeah. Alright, we're going to go ahead and apply that one. Let it sit a little bit. Press it down. Size. Let's get the excess glue off the top. Alright, and we're going to go ahead to the first finger. I'm going to put that glue there. And we're going to go ahead and apply it to the nail here. And it's really easy to apply and put the nails on your hand. It's not really hard at all. Up under that cuticle. Press down, sides, and the back. Hold it for a few minutes. Get the excess glue at the top off. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and put our last finger on, which is this one, which is our thumb finger. And we are done with our nails. I'm going to put the pictures at the end like I always do. I'm going to put some cuticle oil around my cuticles because they are dry. And put some lotion on my hands as well. And we're going to go ahead and apply the last nail, which is this one, which is our thumb. And we are done with our nails, you guys. Thank you for hanging in here with me. I know I do a lot of talking and rambling, but I just be explaining stuff to make sure that people that are beginners, putting them on, they understand. If you have questions, I just like to do that, so gives the person that is actually putting them on their hands a chance. But other than that, you guys, it comes with 28 nails. These are the remaining nails that was in the pack. The pack looks like this, and this was the Gel Kiss Fancy Magnetic Nail. And they have like a Verily effect on those, but these are really cute. I got them in like the medium size, but these are very pretty. You guys, that's the glue that come with them. But like I said, of course, I had to order this one because I wanted a stronger glue that's going to stay longer. This is really good for the TikTok shop, you guys. I will list everything in the information box below. But thank you guys. They have that marble effect, very, very pretty. I like these. They are strong, and I mean strong. That glue is so strong, you guys. And I told you, those other nails I had on, I had them on for 3 weeks. And they still were on. I didn't have any trouble washing my hands, all that stuff. And this is my tea I'm drinking. But other than that, you guys, thank you guys for watching. I will list everything in the information box below. This is how short they are, and I'm getting ready to go on vacation. That's why I wanted that new fresh set. Super, super pretty. And as you can see, if like when I turn them, they have that beautiful marble effect. Very, very gorgeous nails. You guys, I love these. I think I'm going to go back and get the other colors. I like this. Red is my favorite color, so I got these. And as you can see, they have that beautiful marble effect. Very, very gorgeous. I love that magnetic effect. All right, so you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on the press-on nails, you guys, as I let my nail underneath get healthy. But other than that, you guys, those cost, I think I bought those for $9. It was very inexpensive, so it was more than spending $70-$80 going to get them done at the salon, and then they filing half of my nail off. So that's why I'll just stop for right now, you guys. I'll probably eventually go back to the salon to get them done, but for right now, I just want my nails to get healthy. And that's basically it, you guys. I will see you back the next time. This is the third nail tutorial. Have a great evening, everybody.